How's it going, everyone? Thanks for joining us. Meteorologist Mike Brookins here, and a lot quieter up in the North Country. Pretty quiet here in central New York, but things are going to be changing the second half of tonight, this Sunday night, going into Monday morning especially. We're going to see some snow-covered roads at times. We're not expecting a big snowstorm, but it is a clipper storm that's going to move on through and deposit some accumulations. We'll show you a snowfall forecast map. Now, the snowfall is not the concern here. The National Weather Service has issued a winter weather advisory for these counties, and that includes in our viewing area here, Shenango and Otsego counties. Well, the thing is they're saying there may be some freezing rain mixing in, as well as plain old rainfall if it gets above freezing. I think there may be the chance, and it's a chance. The best chance is in southern half of Shenango County, which is really outside of our viewing area. I think if you're in the northern half of Shenango County, chance is very low. And in Otsego County, pretty low for seeing any icing tomorrow. But there is a chance. If it does warm up in the upper levels more than what we're thinking, we may see some rain and hence some freezing rain in these areas, or maybe even for a brief period, areas southeast of Syracuse. So this is something we're going to keep on top of, but I'm not too concerned with that. The high temperature, 28 here in Syracuse, 30 in Fulton, 28, 30 degrees also in Cortland and Ithaca. We had upper 20s in Rome and right at 20 degrees in Saranac Lake. So temperatures again struggling a little bit below average. Typical is 3 degrees warmer at 31. Last night's low 11, 16 is our normal low temperature. It looks like tonight though we're going to be above normal. We're expecting temperatures to drop into the middle 20s and then maybe even rise a few degrees late at night, and we'll be above freezing finally tomorrow. Something that we've been talking a lot about, this thaw, one of very few days above freezing. Well, overnight tonight we expect area-wide snow to develop. Temperatures not quite as cold with the clouds and the wind out of the southwest. Periods of mainly light snow coming up for tomorrow. Highs will be in the mid-30s, and then coming up Tuesday and Tuesday night, skies will be clearing on out. Plenty of sunshine for Tuesday midday and afternoon, but the wind comes in out of the northeast, shifting to the east, and that's going to be sub-zero Tuesday night with a mainly clear sky. Well, here's that shield of snow. Should be arriving around midnight in Syracuse, 10 or 11 o'clock in the Finger Lakes. And at first it may be off and on and light, but I do expect it to become more moderate at times, especially 3 a.m. to 7 a.m. Not a good time to pick up a quick inch or two of accumulation. Right around the morning commute, there will be little that the plows can do when people are on the roads at 6 and 7 o'clock in the morning. So I'm sure they'll be putting some salt down. And then as we go through the day, it starts to break up to snow showers and then eventually scattered snow showers by the end of the day. A northwest wind and north wind will bring in some lake effect snow showers around central New York as we go through Monday night. Maybe a minor accumulation there of 1 to 3 inches, but by Tuesday, high pressure starting to build in some flurries west of Onondaga County early in the day. We turn mostly sunny. So snowfall forecast 2 to 3 inches for most of central New York. This is from midnight through about 4 p.m. on Monday. However, some of the hills south and southeast of Onondaga County could see 3, 4, or 5 inches of snow. Enough you're going to have to do some shoveling, possibly even plowing. Now in the Finger Lakes, a little bit less here in Yates County and Ontario County, maybe Seneca and Schuyler counties also in the far north country. So for the evening hours, we're watching pretty quiet conditions, just mostly cloudy sky. Then overnight, the snow develops, steadiest, heaviest late. Most spots an inch or two overnight, another inch during the daytime tomorrow. As temperatures go above freezing, there's that risk for a little freezing rain mixing into the south. Look for a high temperature of 35, and then that cold builds in Tuesday.